Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best spicy apps to your Firestick in 2025. And firstly, what you gotta do is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course follow me. So firstly, we go to the search on the Firestick, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in this search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom now. So you click on it, and here's the app, which you gotta get to your device. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet. But before actually using the downloader, of course, you have to set up it first. And to do so, we'll go to settings. So let's do it right now. Click on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, you have to turn on developer options on the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And in here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn the option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on the Fire TV Stick, open it, and here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Droid TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. Now, basically, all you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Austria right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So just go back to the list of apps on your device, open downloader, and get ready to use it on your Fire Stick. So all you have to do in downloader is go to that search bar and type in the code, which in our case today is gonna be 863 and then 078. So once again, 863078, That is the code you have to enter. Then click go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. And after the app was downloaded, you also gotta make sure to install it to your device by clicking on the installation button. So click on install and wait a bit until it is fully finished. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on a Firestick. Then let's go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, wait a moment until it loads, and here at the bottom you will find this new application, which we just got for you. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use my link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.